Hey everyone! Welcome back to iMyFone channel. If your password not working of your no longer used iPhone or you want to reset your phone without entering your device, and you don't want to restore factory settings from your PC or computer, so congratulations, you've come to the right place. This video will show you two solutions for you to factory reset your iPhone without iTunes or computer. If the above two methods won't help, you can also try iMyFone-Your and iTunes on a computer to reset your iPhone. Let's see how to make it happen. Method 1. Erase your iPhone on the lock screen. The first method is a built-in feature on iPhone. That is iOS 15.2 or later. The Erase iPhone option. If your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, and you have the Apple ID password, just keep entering the passcode until you see the Forgot Passcode option in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Proceed to sign out of your Apple ID. Here we go. As you can see, without using a computer, we've erased this iPhone. Method 2. Reset iPhone via Find My app. You can use the Find My app to reset your iPhone. There are also some demands to reset your iPhone with the Find My app. The Find My iPhone feature should be opened on your locked iPhone. Another iOS device is a must-have. Whether it's an iPhone or iPad, your Apple ID and password are needed to get access to your iPhone. The locked device should be connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sign in with your Apple ID and password on the other iOS device, and then open the Find My app with a green radar icon. Click all devices at the bottom and select your locked iPhone. Tap Erase this device to continue the reset process. Then you will be required to enter your phone number. Since your iPhone is not lost, you can tap the Erase option directly. Finally, enter your Apple ID password to proceed with the erasing process, and your iPhone will begin resetting itself. If you don't have the Find My feature enabled on your locked iPhone, or you have forgotten your Apple ID and password, you will have to use a computer to factory reset your iPhone. In that case, you can unlock your iPhone with iMyFone-Your. Let me show you. Step 1. Download iMyFone-Your from the description below. Install and launch tool on your computer. Step 2. Connect iPhone to the computer. Then, click Reset iDevices to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Since you've forgotten the password, please click the hard reset from the right side, which supports to factory reset your iPhone without entering iPhone password. Step 4. Choose the firmware file you need and click on the download button. With the downloaded firmware, please click the Start Hard Reset button. Fixbo will finish factory resetting your iPhone in several minutes. Now, enjoy using your phone. Method 4. Reset iPhone via iTunes. Step 1. Connect your device to the computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. Step 3. Your device's information will now be shown. Click on the Restore iPhone. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.